3016 Trotters Ln, Franklin, Tennessee. More than 5,400 square feet of living space, 1+ acre prime lot, heated saltwater pool, head-to-toe renovation, all of which could soon be yours. For further details, stay tuned.
Okay, let's take a few minutes to quickly dive into the highlights of this property location. You'll see the property down here, this little red tab. So the property itself is located about 15 minutes southeast of the historic Franklin Square here, and then about 30 minutes south of the heart of Nashville. So pretty nice, convenient location. Diving back into go a little more hyper-local. This home is located in the Cedarmont Valley subdivision. And if you can't tell by the satellite view, these are very nice, spacious lots. So no high-fiving your neighbors out of bedroom windows on this one. It is located on a very nice, quiet road. Great place to go on nice, peaceful walks and enjoy some of the country nature sounds and stuff that come with that. Which brings you to the next highlight of this property is that this location gives you that benefit of feeling like you're in a peaceful country setting, but yet you still get quick access to all of our modern day conveniences. So zooming out a little further, if you would like some outdoor activities, you've got the Harpeth River just to the south and southwest. There are several canoe launches, so public canoe launches along that go throughout Franklin, giving easy access for a day on the river, or simply going over there and just quickly throwing a line in the water. Heading a little more northwest, you'll find yourself just off Highway 96, and here's where you'll find a lot of your big box stores. These are all within a quick 5 to 10 minutes. Your Home Depot, Publix, several of your hotels, Hobby Lobby, the local Sprouts Farmers Market. Yeah, a lot going on there. Head a little further west down 96 and you'll run directly into the historic Franklin Square, which has a lot of nice eats and a very nice local spot. One other perk of this area, you do have the park at Harlansdale Farm. Several different little festivals go on here. You have a dog park. You also have access to the Harpeth River again.
You're looking at just over 5,400 square feet of living space and approximately 1.13 acres, all of which have gone through extensive updates over the last few years. If you're someone interested in the property, you're going to want to ask for the long list of updates. Step around back, you're going to find no shortage of parking at this house with a huge 3-car garage plus additional hobby space inside. This is a heated saltwater pool, full refresh, new liner, all new pool equipment, ladder, robot cleaner, converted to saltwater, and heater added all within the last couple of years. There's a total of 3 floors on this home, 2 upper floors, 1 full walkout basement or in-law suite, a total of 5 usable bedrooms, although it is on a 4-bedroom septic. There's 4.5 bathrooms. A few of the common updates you'll find: all new floors, with exception of the carpet in the bedrooms, which is approximately 3 years old. New paint throughout. As for the kitchen and living room, that was opened up to create the open floor plan. We've got loads of natural light and plenty of great views. This kitchen underwent a full remodel. Quartz countertops, new appliances, new cabinets, the whole shebang. We're now heading down to the basement level. So this is a full walkout basement. It could be used as a great entertaining space, mother-in-law suite, potentially a additional source of income. The options are endless. So the back door walks out directly to underneath the deck with nice easy access to the pool. It's a great space to come and make it yours. This room is the living room along with the kitchenette. The room straight ahead that we're about to go into is kind of a unique room. It can be used for a variety of reasons. It was previously used as a in-home gym. The door straight ahead was a huge closet, runs the full length of the room. And the other door you saw just right behind us now is actually a nice large utility closet. That is it for this tour. If you have any questions, reach out. If you're a prospective buyer, you're going to want to reach out and ask for that full list of property updates. Leave any questions, comments, feedback below. Appreciate you guys watching.